Yeah, that thing took a digger going down the hill. It flipped over with material on top of it. We were able to flip the machine back over, drag it back up the hill. It towed right back to the shop, no problem. It was unbelievable that the machine just kept rocking and rolling. I'm AJ Grasso, one of the owners of Metal Roofing Solutions. We're a metal roofing manufacturer. We've got 2 locations to help serve all of our customers. We've got a location here in Wheat Ridge, as you can see, I-70 right behind us. We've got great access right off the highway. We also have another location up in Berthoud, Colorado. Has all the same capabilities that we do in the Wheat Ridge location. Sheet, coil, standing seam panels, exposed fastener panels, color match fasteners and sealants, perimeter flashings. If you guys can draw it, we can probably make it for you. This will be our 7th year as Metal Roofing Solutions. Altogether, our entire team has been together for almost 20 years, but as our own independent company, just Metal Roofing Solutions, this will be our 7th year doing this stuff. It was a great company. We really loved it. It kind of went down the corporate route and it just wasn't for us, so we kind of branched off and decided to do our own thing and stick to the mom and pop feel as far as the fabrication aspect and just the whole family team feel, and we kind of brought that back with Metal Roofing Solutions. Talking about the machine that rolled down the hill, I believe that is a testament to the durability of a new tech machine. And also reiterating safety and safety meetings to your team. Yeah, that thing took a digger going down the hill. It flipped over with material on top of it. And while it did destroy all of the run-out stands that were attached to it, broke the gas engine clean in half. We were able to flip the machine back over, drag it back up the hill. It towed right back to the shop, no problem. And with the exception of the run-out stands and the gas motor, that was the only thing that got damaged. And as I keep extra gas motors here in stock, we swapped out the motor, we fired it back up, ran material through it, and we had no issues. It was unbelievable that the machine just kept rocking and rolling. Nobody got hurt. We didn't have to make any adjustments on the machine with the exception of change the gas engine and put some new run-out stands on it. 9 machines. We got 9 machines today. We got almost all of them lined up for you. We got one other machine that we couldn't quite fit out here, so we left that one at home. She's been through the ringer a little bit. All but 3 of them we got used, and they've been rock stars with minimal maintenance with the exception of tires. We go through tires like they're going out of style here. Middle machines. That was our first machine that we picked up, and we got that with the 2-inch kit, the 1.5-inch kit, and the 675 kit. And I think that one machine paid for itself within the first year. As you can see, I've got a habit of new tech machines. They work great, they're dependable, they can work with just about any materials out there, and the adjustability really helps us to work around some of the funky coils that you get every once in a while. We have, I think, almost all of the new tech panel profiles out there right now. We've got the 1-inch fastener flange, the 1-inch mechanical, the 1.5-inch mechanical, the 2-inch mechanical, the 210, the 450, 450 SL, the 550, the 675, the T-panel, the 1-inch soffit, the 1.5-inch soffit, and the wave machine. I think that's all of them. And the board and batten. Snuck that one on me, yep. Definitely the board and batten, so that's also been a great profile. So about the relationship with new tech and Metal Roofing Solutions, and while Metal Roofing Solutions is relatively new, we're only 7 years old, we've all been in this industry for quite a long time. I've been working with new tech for almost 20 years now. We used to work with Ron back in the day. I know he's kind of part-time these days, and worked with Nate a lot. Right now I deal with Tom on the inside for sales, Ben for parts, and you know, they've all been great to work with. And because you guys' proximity to us, it's real easy for us to get parts. It's just a short, quick drive for us. And I think almost your entire will call team knows my guy, Jamie Romero. He's been running panels with me since 2005, so 21 years he's been running a new tech machine, and I'd say he's the only one that can run this thing better than I can at this point in time. So if he needs parts, he knows exactly what he needs, he knows who he needs to talk to, You guys always take care of us right away and make sure our equipment stays up and running. So overall, NewTek has been great to work with. Great customer service, great technical support. I have no issues with NewTek. Again, being a smaller mom and pop definitely gives us a little more control on our lead times and more direct interaction with our customers. So, our customers we've been working with for years and years and years. We know about their dogs and their kids and their families. And, they can call us and be like, hey, I messed up. I need some help. What can you do to help me out? Yeah, let me see if I can fast track this process and get you guys out sooner rather than later. You guys have always been great. We want to help you out. When you're dealing with these families and you see what they're going through and you see they need some help from you to get this project finished up right away, or they mess something up. So let's help them get through this project and let's get the homeowner a good quality product that's going to last, and make sure that the roofer is happy with you because you're standing behind the product, you're standing behind your customer, and they're standing behind your product and you as well. Thanks for visiting us here at Metal Roofing Solutions. If you guys ever have any questions about any sort of metal roofing, we're here to support you. You can see we've got a full line of NewTek machines. Come out and help you guys out with any of your metal roofing projects. Come see us, we're happy to help.